Hello, my people. I beg, make una draw una chair come close. I don't come again. You get one story where I want to share with you now. Sometime, immemorial, far time ago, the time where I did secondary school, you can't get one competition where them put. They say people will put them, or their body will put them. Then they call them UNO. All of you know what be UNO. Some they call them UN. This competition, now question they want ask. Anybody will win that question or will answer them correct. Now $10 million. Now be the person money. Ha. You know that kind of thing now. Everybody when they put head say they must win this money. Me I stand that way I did. They say, I will take win this money. I don't know. They don't ask us, they don't tell us the question. Now almost every part of Nigeria gather. As we gather, then me, I can't go quick, go early enough, can't find one place, can't sit down. They wait when the competition go start. When the competition can start, the question where they ask, when I know what it be, which country for the whole world, big, rich, and they can't be number one? Ha! People come begin the fella. People from Calabar, people from Uyo, people from Enugu, people from Oka, people from Owerri, people from Umuahia, all parts of the country, state capitals, all of them full there. People call the fella. You know me, I be somebody will come from one particular place, where near Boki, where they call Potokiri. So I can't sit down, dress like my people. Sit down, they wait. They rack my brain. Now the next thing where I hear they say, you. They point me. I can't get up. I look. Waiting come out from my mind be America. As I talk that word, America. Now so they say a round of applause for him. He don't get that. Hey, you've won yourself $10 million. I nearly faint. I said, how? They don't know what I talk. Me. They say I don't win. And I say, but they can't grab me, they can't carry me up. They say, Within a short time, the girls call me for podium now. Can't carry check, give me. Say this check, before I go reach out, they don't put it inside my bank. My people, I still they surprised. I did still they confused. I said, waiting come beyond this one. Been a dream, I did dream. I said, I just they go now. It's okay. I can't reach out. Now true say I win the money. My people, make I shock una now. Waiting America mean for Potokiri, for Boki, mean, waiting mean be say, I don't know. And waiting be the answer to the question, America. You see, America and America, now the same thing. As I take win $10 million, so my people, I beg, make una go for comment section, write within day una mind concerning this very thing where I talk. Whether I suppose collect the money or make I go tell them say America, no mean America. What it mean be say, I don't know. My people, click like, click share, and follow. Make we the move. All right, guys. Catch you some other time. Bye-bye.